I have a theory that the air we breathe is actually slightly liquid, which is not a theory that I have alone. Many scientists have theorised that oxygen is actually viscose. The environment of the space is viscose. So I have this habit of throwing things up in the air and catching them when I walk. So I thought, okay, I'll try this experiment. The first one I threw up, I threw forward and caught it, and that's what I'm walking backwards now. On the second one I throw up, I throw on the spot, so you can see it's going directly up. This is from my CCTV camera, so it's not that clear. So the third one, I thought I threw the third one up directly straight up as I did the first one. And you see I walked one or two steps forward, and there it was. I caught it. So I'm wondering, do we live in a liquid? And does whatever we throw in the air travel with us when we walk?